Sugarville Shane, and tonight we're going to be doing some bacon wrapped stuffed cream cheese dates in the air fryer. And we got some Jimmy Dean premium hickory smoked bacon here a pound. We've got dates, some sweet that we're using that are here. We have cream cheese, a toothpick, our knife, and so as I was saying, I'll slice these down the middle, fill them with cream cheese, get them all lined up. Then I'll cut my bacon in half, and then just start wrapping them with bacon, and then we'll poke them with toothpicks, and get them ready to roll. We'll set them on this plate over here. Okay, so now I'm gonna take these dates and just kind of slice them down the middle, set them to the side. You can see I got a few done here. Just getting all done in one shot. All right, friends. So we're moving right along. We have all these dates stuffed with cream cheese set out, and cut this bacon in half. And it's kind of coming apart in two sections as I'm pulling it off, so I'm just gonna roll with that. And how we do this is I've got a couple set out here that we've already done. Set them up right on in here. Roll them up. Set a toothpick in there. Kind of just set them on over here. Until we get them all done. All right, YouTube friends. So now we have all these date stuffed with cream cheese, wrapped with bacon. So now we're going to proceed to place these on the racks. All right, YouTube friends. So, as you can see, we got all them bacon wrapped dates on one tray. That's great. So what I'm gonna go do is take these, set these, I'd say probably right on this rack right here. Yeah, that looks good. And we'll shut this. And what we're gonna do is turn on our air fryer, and I'm gonna do 400 for 10 minutes and see how they look from there. And if they need a minute or more too, then so be it. So I ended up doing these at 15 minutes. So this is what we ended up with. Looks pretty amazing to me. So we're gonna just set this plate right here. And we're just gonna start laying these out. Everybody always seems to enjoy them. Let's take these and pull these right off. Look at that. And I'd like to thank you for hanging out with us once again. Sugarville Shane's home style cooking. Bring you some home style love, the way we love to do it. Cream cheese stuffed bacon wrapped dates is what's on the appetizer menu. God bless you all, and come back and visit us. We'll keep on rolling along.